hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Kill him, man. Kill him. Yo, já mostra, boa ele não. Já mostra, meu filho. Já mostra pra ele, dá mais limpo ali. Put it down. Put it down. Boy, just kill him, man, dog. No lick him. Man is trying to cooperate and lick out in head back same time.
What?
Okay, sir. Do the job, sir. Yeah, do the job.
You done in a trouble already, and man come to
You dead, you know, Roland. I must dead, man. You can't look for that youth come back, brother. I must dead, brother. I see man a get done. A knife that up on the lungs, you know. Away and stab him, you know. Judgment.
My God.
Judgment upon the camp, youth.
Such a shame. Blessings, but people big up on yourself, man. They don't know, so they attacking boss, they are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack, my people. So, boy, at a real level, my people. Real level here now. You understand? What wrong with we Jamaicans? Honestly, what really wrong with us? Zine? Because now, this is basically people, based on the information we receive, you understand? This happened yesterday, on the Friday, people, over in Canada. And it is where two from America basically have them dispute or something, two Jamaicans people. And it is said that the one who you see, the police them up there now, people, managed to use a knife, Zine, deal with the other one away, people, which when we get the video, people, me ear said the other one dead. And if you can hear the talking of the video, people, the other man are saying dead because you understand. But I was trying to do some checks if I can fully confirm by any news media in Canada and everything, people, any journalists. But unfortunately, I didn't receive no information. You understand, if the other one did or something. But based on where we are hearing the video, people, I said that the one they now, people, come so boom, them have them altercation, have them argument, and them use knife. And one of the other one, them did now lock him in the house until police come. Because basically, if them the man that did catch him, people, you'd hear a different story. Zine? But what I'm saying, people, what's really wrong with us? We leave, go to another country for better, for work, to get an income. And you're going to tell me, say, yes, we know we can't have difference, we can't have argument, because as we say it over and over, everybody think different, everybody have a mindset, different mindset. And a man may do something where you're not comfortable with, where you know what I mean? But on a real level, it have reached to that level where anger do get over you, and you have to do this. Now you are going to go prison. See, the other one, if him dead, hopefully it's not people, but based on what them are saying dead, you understand? So, hopefully not, because me I go the panda side, hopefully not. But still yet, this is Canada. And he's going to be charged, people. Zine can use an object and do something like that. He might go to jail, he might go to prison. For what reason? It makes sense. If you lose everything over what, you know if you say something where you could avoid. Or if you did do something or be a threat to your life in certain way. You know if you say better you did use the necessary authorities them and deal with it. If you know the facts you're in another country. You try to earn a living for you better yourself and your family. If you're a man who do consider about the family them. Because if you do consider about the family them, you have to think about the family them and look into it and say, you know what, I can't do certain things and mess up myself in the kind that go affect my family them. So basically you're not concerned about the family them. Not even yourself. Because the situation we do put yourself in now, it's a very terrible one. It's a shame. It's a shame and the people like Uno now. You go there if you go pick apple or you go there if you go roast breadfruit or whatever you go there for. Do we have to do the man do a couple of months and come back, man? But look what you do now. If you in our position, people, you depend on work, you have problem, disagreement, as I may say, with the next man, then just try to find yourself or go do what some other man do then. Just take yourself away then. See? Or go make a report then. So, but you make it lead to this. See, the man all a job big stone for push up head. Maybe when I still less of the assist, the man they could have bust up head, but maybe something different did happen to him if him did get the mistake and fling the stone too. So he need to build too. See? Because the number one thing what me I say is, the man lock him up in a house and wait till police do come. Then after that, man I go get angry and video and I go to a big stone and this and that. But honestly, two wrongs don't make right. You just don't make right, people. And people for learn how to angle themselves. When you left yard, if you go this off, you better man. When you build on yourself, when you relax. Be a man, make a change. If you left and go there when a boy try find the man yourself over there. I understand. So look at a man and a yard, me the can do certain things and run go in a bush and get rid of this and do that. You have to learn to control your anger, brother. Self-control. If you don't have that, you go find yourself in a peer problem and trouble. See, it's a shame. Over there in Canada right now, and for other people who think about, say, they're going to come to boom and try to touch a farmer program and go there for a better living. You know what I mean? It can affect them also. See, because people think twice now and say, yo, you know, so the man going to think they come and for do this war and kill off each other. We don't want them on the farm, see? And we're now, other farm workers are going to get affected by this. See? Yo, it's just reckless, yo. It's just reckless and carelessness. See, now the man them need to start think. The man them need to start use them brain cell more. The man them need to be some man more. See? But as me as a people, there's a hope and a pray say, you know reach to a level where, but the way the man are saying that the video people, him gone. Like him can't live, him can't make it. Based on the way I say people like I eat that. See? Because like the man take the knife people and punch and a lugs maybe alright in a saying do it or in a boy. But John know the man them need for your self-control. You know what I mean? Because it's a citizen over Canada in a link. Me and say new link. You don't hear about the incident coming a year talk about it over in Canada involving two farm workers. And I said, no, sir, first me I hear about that. Seeing because there's so much things that go on now, people. Me I tell you the truth. I have video. We have news clip where I record about incident in Jamaica like over a week and can't get the time to edit them people. You understand? So if you don't see a story even gone 5 days ago, I still drop them people, it's because they are pre-recorded. But there's too much going on, people. There's too much because by the time if you come to and drop the story for yesterday, things that happen to the people, and it's just crazy. There's so much things going on, people. Yard and abroad where me can't even cover, where me can't even touch. There's so much story where I want to do a part 2 and I can't even touch. See, you know, the people are not control of themselves. Come on, man, give me a little break now, man. When you use on yourself, man, tap now, man. Self-control in yourself now, man. Give me all a break now, man. Make me can't use myself now, man. But me if you drop, then so much. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. You know, to a worthless man. Straight attack for you. Straight attack for anyone who comes to boom. Go anywhere for no go Canada or no go America for better. And this now put on yourself in a straight attack for you. No joke, no lenience, no play with the attack, man. Oh my world, oh my precious new link. But people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, more blessings, and just do the right thing with people and just be safe out there. Yo, this place is crazy. Remember me telling them that. Peace out every time. Jaja.